Good afternoon, guys. Next topic, noise reductions. So, noise reduction means when you are set out to make measurement one of the after, that is signals, that means quantity we want to see. We want to quantity experimental systems. See that in block diagram, the systems could be electrical, mechanical, or biological and include all impacted environmental variables such as the temperature, measure or magnetic field. Okay, temperature, pressure or magnetic field. This response over the measure might to be applied of the voltage. See that guys, extensions, experimental systems, and response to noise and transducers and signal noise. Okay, extension. So extension means given to input signals. Uh, After that, we have to experimental systems. We can added some noise. After that, transducers and output signals. Okay, that is the main block diagram of the noise. Noise means you can added some input to output devices, some plus some reasons. That means noise. So source and characteristics of noise. So these source and characteristics of noise, the interface is the defined of the frequency. For example, would be hertz 60 hertz field from the power lines, high frequency fields from the nearby radio or TV transmitters, and laser light. Okay, TV transmitters and laser rays in the operate setup. Broadband or white noise is a more than less uniform over a wide range of the frequencies. In case of arise from the multiple source which belong together to give a uniform operance are ultimately and invariable from the terminal vibrations of the operates. Okay, that means see the block diagrams, which are totally 0 to 10 power 8 or 0 to 10 power 6. That means increase of the region of the flipper, that means brush noise. Okay, this is the short noise means when we are to given to signals, we can added some noise. That means temperature variations, mechanical vibrations. Okay, mechanical vibration or temperature vibration, humidity, ripple or transformer harmonics on computer power supplies, power line interference. Okay, humidity or ripple and transmitter humidity is totally power line interference. Those is contact arousing the broadcast or TV radar. Okay, on laser light everything. So we can add some noise. So these noise signal arriving. Signal arriving means signal arriving explode from the fact in the make of measurement. Many times where the signals put will be turned accumulate, but the noise will be irregular and tend to cancel itself. Okay, that means more of formally the standard of the deviations of the mean n measurement. Okay, n measurement, that means number of measurement is totally factor of root n. Okay, that is a single element. So v of t equal vs of t plus vn of t. That means vs of t means assuming of the signal voltage, vn of t that means noise voltage. Next vs, that means larger than voltage. Okay, that is the sum of the two parts v of t equal vs of t plus vn of t. Okay, so these positive values, if we record the vt over the sum of the time the interval, we have to record which contain the informations about time variations of the vs. This circular point of the average many such as record of the v of t. Okay, v of t means signal voltage or signal voltage. Show these selected to noise ratio. V of t V of t is after the n recorded, we have to average it. For example, the noise is occur Vn of Vn bar equals 0. Vn bar means infinity noise. Okay. The standard deviation sigma n. That means V bar t equal Vs of t or sigma V bar equal sigma n by root n. That means we have to approximate V bar by V sigma n, V by sigma n root of n. That is the signal waveform. See that we have to sinusoidal sine waveform, entire sinusoidal waveform, single input sinusoidal waveform, number of sinusoidal beats occurred. That means we can add some noise. That means distance. The sampling simulation wave, note that there is no way of the distancing between two sine wave on the biases of the regularly spaced of the samples. Okay, that means sinusoidal wave. Next, filtering and modulations. Filtering and modulation means modulations. What is the modulation? Modulation means we have to acquire a positive peak or negative peak value. So 0 plus 1 and minus 1. So these sinusoidal waveforms to increase some amplitude and time period. Okay. In the case of quasi and static signals where we do not need to measure the actual waveform, it may be possible to use of the frequency selective filters to suppress the noise. Consider the gain of the power spectrum. Okay, the gain of the power spectrum, the desired signals occupies the fairly and narrow range of the frequencies. Somewhere the reason of we can somewhere the reason we could improve the situations by measuring the voltage only the range. Okay, that means when we are to change the voltage value, automatically we can added some the noise or noise range. So this noise is totally depending upon either is DC voltage or AC voltage. Okay, SNR. SNR, that means signal to noise ratio due to filtering the equally amplified for the simple situations. Okay, SNR equal S square of T by P and B1. Okay, these are signal components and power and frequency. Okay, B1 and Fs. Fs is the bandwidth. Okay, this bandwidth we have to be not the power spectrum of the signal to noise, the present transmission characteristics of the band pass filters are below. The SNR signal to noise ratio S square of T equal by Pn of B naught. So this is the equations. Next, go for lock in detections. For the bandwidth minimizations of the effective, we are required that the signals occur within a restricted range of the frequencies. That means, see that main block diagram oscillators. So these oscillators WR. Next, experiment, experimental systems and sweep. Okay. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటల్ సిస్టమ్కి ట్రాన్స్డ్యూసర్కి డేటా పాస్ చేస్తాం. అక్కడి నుంచి దేనికి వెళ్తున్నాం అంటే సిగ్నల్ ఛానల్. ది సిగ్నల్ ఈ ఛానల్కి వెళ్ళేసరికి వీ కెన్ యాడెడ్ సమ్ నాయిస్. దట్ మీన్స్ సిగ్నల్ ఛానల్ మీన్స్ ఫిల్టర్, ఫ్రీ యాంప్లిఫైర్, సెన్సిటివిటీ. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ సిగ్నల్ టు నాయిస్ వచ్చేసరికి పవర్ షిఫ్టర్ అండ్ రిఫరెన్స్ ఛానల్. సో ఈ రిఫరెన్స్ ఛానల్కి సమ్ సిగ్నల్ ఛానల్ మీన్స్ యాడ్ అయితే నాయిస్. దట్ మీన్స్ లో పాస్ ఫిల్టర్ అండ్ టైమ్ కాన్స్టెంట్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ అవుట్పుట్ సిగ్నల్స్. ఓకే, output signals. We can then test some of the short filter must be commonly electronic before you are measuring the operands to pass the signal frequency range and block other frequencies. Okay, that is the main reason of noise. Noise means we can acquire some disturbance, either input condition or output. These input and output we can add some noise. There are several advantages of the lock in the detection. First, by modulating the right parameters, we distribute the quantity we wish to measure the fluctuations which are not sensitive to the varying the parameters. Second one, this is the response of the work controllable relatability high frequency. Other disturbance such as a power line interference and mechanical variations vibrations. Okay, uh, VFR sine omega r t plus pi r, that means significant amplitude over broad range. Vs of omega is equal sine of omega t plus pi s. These components at the near W are representations of desired signal plus any noise to happens. Okay, next go for some signals. The fluctuation of the finite amplitude, two stage of the RC filters. This okay, this is the main concept of the noise. This is a small topic. Next topic you have to continue for next day tomorrow. Okay.